Hey YouTube, Midwest Picker here. Do you like the addition right here? This is an old flat screen TV I pulled out of my bedroom and put in here, made some space on the shelf. So this is really cool. I have my laptop on my desk and I can work listing on eBay, editing videos, and then I can shoot up a screen up here and I can listen or watch and listen to YouTube videos while I'm working. So I thought that would be pretty cool. And I stole this idea from Scott, the dumpster diver dad out in California. If you haven't seen his channel, you should check it out. It's really good. And he does a lot of lives too. I'm trying to avoid the glare on my glasses. The reason I'm wearing these ugly glasses, well, actually they're Hugo Boss, so they're not too ugly. I'm trying to save money on sailing by not wearing my contacts, so I figure I have the glasses. Why not use them? Save a little money on contact lens maintenance. So that's why I'm wearing them. I'm going to try to dip my head down a little bit. So this video, you guys, is what sold on eBay. My sales are all over the place. Either I'm doing really well and I sell 5 items in one day, or I sell nothing for 3 days straight. No rhyme or reason. I'm listing every day as much as I can. A little bit here, a little bit there. I do think it helps. But if people aren't buying, they're just not buying. I sell a lot of vintage collectibles, high-end, not high-end, but fairly expensive glassware, 20, 30, 50, $70 items. So in this economy right now, that's probably not going to sell real well. But people do buy, and they are buying. Some people are just bored. They're at home. They're online shopping. But the stuff I sell is kind of long tail and it takes a while to sell. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Dave. I'm a registered nurse. I'm now working from home. Husband, father, kids. Like I said, I work full-time. I sell part-time, so I'm a part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator. So I put out a video as often as I can, probably every 4 or 5 days. Definitely not daily like the big hitters do. So hopefully this video is helpful. This is a what sold video. This gives you an idea of what to look for when you're sourcing, whether you're sourcing from your own home, things you already own, sourcing online and having it shipped to your home, or if you're in one of those rare states where you can still go out, go to thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, rummage sales. Boy, I can't wait to do that again. I'm in Michigan and I am stuck at home, but pretty soon we're going to be able to go out and do those things again. I can't wait. So when I talk about what sold, I try to give you as much information as possible. I try to tell you where I bought it from, how much I paid for it, what it sold for, how long it took to sell it, and how it shipped. That's useful information for new people to reselling, whether it's Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, whatever. This is useful information. You don't want to spend hard-earned money sourcing items that don't sell, right? So if you're new to reselling, that's the biggest concern people have. What do I buy? I don't want to spend $100 on stuff and get stuck with it for a year. The second #1 question is shipping. It's very confusing if you're going to sell online how shipping works. So down in the description below, I have a link to my how to ship video. It's a little dated. The walls around here are not as nice as they are now. I got this big gap right here. I'm going to have to put something up there soon. So check out the shipping video. It's linked down below. And if you have any questions at all, put them in the comments. My email is down below. You can email me a question. You can also go to MidwestPicker.com. It links everything I do. You could go to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and shoot me a question through Instagram messages too. So let's get into it. First item, and I'll put pictures up here. So I won't put pictures over here. I don't want them to set them on fire. I'll put them over here. So the first one is a Starbucks ceramic travel mug. This is a mouthful. Starbucks items do sell. They did sell really well last year. Coffee cups, travel mugs, water bottles, anything Starbucks would sell. If it's vintage Starbucks, like a t-shirt or a visor or anything, it was like gold. I've kind of noticed that really cooled off lately. Maybe it'll pick up again. I don't know. So I bought this ceramic travel mug for $2. $2 even 3 months ago at a thrift store. So it took about 3 months to sell. I had it listed for $12.95. I took a best offer of $8.50, and that's shipping on top. This next one was kind of, I wouldn't say a mistake, but I got a little crazy. I was at a hardware store with my friend Dave. If I remember, I'll put the episode up here. That's a really old video, maybe like episode 11, where Dave and Dave go shopping. And so I went to a hardware store and I went right to the clearance section, and they were clearing out all their Milwaukee brand and replacing it with Diablo, whatever. So they had tape measures and saw blades and drill bits and just especially power tools. But they had these saw blades for 30 bucks. And I thought, I don't know a whole lot. So I scanned the UPC with my eBay app on my phone, and they were selling on eBay for $80, $90, $110 for one stupid saw blade. So $30 is a lot of money. This is called retail arbitrage, where you take a chance and you buy something on clearance, 75, 80, 90% off, and then flip it and resell it. You can do that. I tend to avoid that unless it's 90% off. It's just too difficult. Too much competition too. I don't like a lot of competition. So I bought this saw blade for 30 bucks. I thought, why not? I'll just try it. Put it on eBay for $89.95. Got a lot of attention, got a lot of views, a couple watchers, a couple super low ball offers, but it's been sitting on there. Let me see. It's been 9 months that it was on my eBay store, so I got sick of looking at it. I put it on sale. I think I put it on sale for like $59.95, and that got even more attention. Somebody sent me an offer for 40 bucks. I thought, you know what? I've had it for a year. I'm tired of it. I took it. So 30 into 40, that's like virtually almost no net profit at all after you subtract all of your fees. They did pay shipping though, so that was good. So would I do it again? Probably not. If I saw a Milwaukee saw blade brand new in the package at a garage sale or a flea market, yes, I would probably pay $5, $6, $7 for that, but retail arbitrage on that, I won't do that again. Next one is MREs. If you don't know what that is, it's meals ready to eat. This is typically something you see in the military. Doesn't have to be. There are independent companies that make MREs. I was at a thrift store and I saw just pieces and parts in a bag for like $6.50, I believe. Yeah, $6. So I bought this 6 months ago for $6. I thought, I'll list it. Sat around in my death pile. Well, then this quarantine hit, the you-know-what virus, and anything survival related, hunting related is selling like crazy. Camouflage clothes, knives, which I'm going to talk about in a second, MREs, water tablets to purify water, or a life straw. Anything camping, hunting, survival related is selling like crazy. If you stocked up on that stuff, whether you're a prepper or a hunter or you're an outdoors person, if you're not going to use it or you have extra, you really want to think about selling it, because it is worth a ton of money right now. 4 months from now, it's not going to be worth nearly as much. So think about selling that. So I had pieces and parts. I had like chili and noodles and crackers and mustard. It was just made no sense. I described it really well. I put the codes in my description because the expiration dates are kind of coded. And I tried it as an auction. I thought, why not? So I put it up for $25 starting bid. I got 2 bids. It went for $27 plus shipping on top. So $6 into $27, not too bad. I probably could have priced it higher, like $29.95, and took a chance on that. But auctions are fun if you've never done one before. Next item is this knee brace. I bought this 4 months ago for $2.50. I had it listed for $12.95. I took a best offer of $9 plus shipping on top. Next one is this knife. This is what I would call an economical knife. It's a great backup knife. It could be your everyday carry knife, but a lot of people have backup knives where they put them in the glove box of their car or truck, or their toolbox, or their tackle box, or in their bedside stand next to them while they're sleeping. People usually have an everyday carry that's more of a high-end knife, like the Boker switchblade that I carry every day. But then I probably own 50 different knives. So a lot of people like to have economical knives and just kind of put them, one in the laundry room, one in their car, one at work, in their desk drawer, whatever. So I participated in an auction, which is the previous episode, is the unboxing video. So I'm not going to get into all that, but I won an auction. Let me look at the stats here, because this is a lot. I won 42 knives for $206. 29 of those were brand new in the box, and 13 of them were used. And those 13 used ones are high-end, like Buck brand, Case brand, Gerber brand. So I'm still have to clean those up first, and then I'm going to put those up on eBay. The brand new ones are more the economical second backup knives. So the first one sold for $9.95. So if you do the math, I paid about $4.90 for each knife. So this is $4.90 into $10. Not terrible. I mean, it's an okay flip, but you're looking at volume. So that flip is a small net profit, but there's 29 of them. So after they all sell, then it's not so bad. And then the 13 used ones, and they're going to go for a lot. 25 bucks a piece, 35, 45 bucks a piece. They're really, really nice knives. And I keep saying I'm going to list them, but they need to be cleaned up just a little bit, a little WD-40 in a rag, and just clean up the grease and make them look pretty. Then I'm going to list them. So that's where the real money is. The 13 used ones is the bigger money. So that new knife that I sold for $9.95, that was just listed 5 days ago, and bam, went to a guy in Canada, calculated first class shipping. He had to pay up a little bit. I feel bad for the people in Canada. I don't know why, but the shipping is just crazy expensive. I think it's even worse if you're in Canada and you sell to the United States. But he paid like $12.95 first class shipping for a 6-ounce package. That's just outrageous. If it would have been within the United States, it'd be like $4. So that's just way too much money. So the knife was $9.95. He paid like $12.45 shipping for this stupid thing. So that's just not fair. So anyways, get off my soapbox on postage in Canada. So the next item, the last one, I think this is number 6, is this brass flange. I basically sourced this for free. I bought some really gorgeous ornate brass footrail brackets for like $10, and they sold for like $90. And in the bag of those brackets were extra brass screws and pieces and parts. I have an elbow still on my eBay store. And then this end flange I actually sold to somebody, and they returned it. So I relisted it, and of course it sold. I listed it for $18.95. I sourced it, like I said, for free basically. It was on my eBay store for about 6 months if you include the original sale and the return. I took a best offer of $12 plus shipping on top, so it turned free into $12. So those are the 6 items that I sold. And then I almost forgot this guy right here. This is Chris Savage. This is the winner of the 500 sub giveaway. Super nice guy. He sent me this personal message, and he sent me a picture of him with the Enaman. So congratulations again to Chris. He was my 500 sub giveaway winner. I'm approaching 600 subs pretty soon. I think I'm going to wait till I get to 1,000. And I'm going to give away something really big. I'm not sure what. Maybe uranium glass and a gold coin or something. I don't know. I got plenty of time to think about it. So that's the video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you get notified when I have a new video up on YouTube. Put your questions down in the comments. And then if you know anybody that's new to reselling, new to eBay, or new to anything, there's a share button down there. You can share this video through text message or Facebook. I think Instagram. Consider sharing this video with anybody else that you know that's new to reselling. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.